Today, I want to talk to you about something simple, powerful, and long overdue. Something many of us keep pushing to the bottom of the list. Something we treat like a luxury when it's actually a lifeline. Vacation, rest, a real break. Not 2 days off when you're still answering calls. Not a weekend when you're doing laundry, cooking, and running errands. I'm talking about stepping away long enough for your mind, your body, and your spirit to breathe again. Because the truth is, your health depends on it. Let's start right here. Many of us grew up in homes where rest was something you earned after you worked yourself to the bone. Rest was a treat. Rest was one day. But rest is medicine. When you take a real break, your stress level drops, your blood pressure lowers, your mind unclenches, your spirit exhales. Some of us are walking around with tension we've been carrying for years. Shoulders tight, jaw tight, thoughts racing, and we think it's normal. But the moment you step away from your routine, your body starts to heal. When was the last time you rested without guilt? Here's something we don't talk about enough. Your brain cannot thrive in the same environment that's draining you. A change of scenery, even for a day, resets your creativity, your motivation, your emotional balance. That's why people come back from vacation with new ideas, new clarity, new energy. Sometimes you just need to see water, a river, beach, or even a hotel pool to remember you're human, to remember you're more than your responsibilities, to remember that life is bigger than the four walls you're staring at every day. Your mind needs space to breathe. Let's be honest. When you're tired, overwhelmed, and stretched thin, you're not your best self. You're short, you're irritable, you're drained, and the people closest to you feel it the most. A vacation, even a short one, helps you reconnect. Couples rediscover each other. Parents become more patient. Friendships deepen. And you remember who you are outside of work, bills, and obligations. Some of us think we're difficult, but really, we're just exhausted. A rested you is a better you, a clearer you, a kinder you, a more focused you. When you take a break, you return with more energy, better decision making, a calmer spirit, a refreshed perspective. You can't pour from an empty cup. And some of us are trying to pour from the cup, the saucer, and the table. You deserve to be restored. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Lady D, I can't afford a big vacation right now. And that's okay. A break doesn't have to be expensive. Try a weekend getaway, a day trip to a nearby town, a beach day, a quiet night in a hotel, a staycation with your phone on silent, a long walk in a new environment. The goal is not the destination, it's the disconnection. Disconnect to reconnect. So here's my encouragement to you. Before this year ends, plan a break. Put it on the calendar. Protect it, honor it, and don't let guilt talk you out of it. Because your health, your peace, your joy, your relationships, they all depend on you stepping away long enough to breathe. Take the trip, take the pause, take the moment. The world will not fall apart if you rest, but you might if you don't. You deserve restoration. You deserve joy. You deserve a life that feels good, not just one you survive. Take the trip. Your health depends on it.